If your home set on the market in 2025 and didn't get the offers you were hoping for, there's good news. It doesn't mean that your home can't sell. Most of the time, it comes down to strategy, not the house itself. We see this all the time. A home sits for months, sellers get frustrated, and they assume buyer demand just isn't there. But when we update the pricing using true neighborhood data, refresh the photos and staging, and relaunch it the right way, the activity picks up fast. Showings come back and serious buyers re-engage. Going into January and February, there are 4 things that matter most: pricing it correctly for today's market, improving the online presentation, fully resetting the listing so it feels brand new, and taking advantage of motivated early year buyers with less competition. So if your home didn't sell in 2025, you're not stuck. You may just need a smarter relaunch. If you want help reviewing your plan for January and February, reach out anytime. I'm always happy to help. And as always, thanks again for watching and have an awesome week.